Hey guys, today I've got some more Christmas designs to share with you. I've got 10 more Christmas designs, all using 𝗵𝗶𝗶 products of course. 𝗵𝗶𝗶 have just released some new gel paints, so I was just having a play around and I thought I would share with you guys the designs I did. Apologies for my face looking a bit lopsided. I was at the dentist this morning and my face is still a bit numb, so... But yeah, this is the only chance I'm going to get to record this video. I've waited all day, I've waited as long as I can. Still not worn off yet. So I'm going to go through the products first. So the red I used today is Bloody Mary. This is a deep red, it's not as bright red as Bella Rouge. A lot more of my clients have been opting for that this Christmas just because it's not as in your face red. Next colour that I've got is 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝘀𝘁𝗺. This is my most popular nude by far. If you don't have this, you need this in your collection. And finally I used Teresa Green as well. Teresa Green is a dark green, again really popular at the festive time. If you're looking for blues and purples and things, in my previous video for the bronze nail art, where I go through all of the designs that you do on the bronze course, they've got loads of blues in that one, so I thought I'd do this one a bit more Christmas themed. Now let me show you 𝗵𝗶𝗶's new gel paints. These are absolutely amazing. Let's talk about the packaging for a second. How beautiful is that? So these are quite small tubs, but don't let that fool you. You get 12ml in each of them, and oh, they just look so pretty, and they're so amazing to work with. I was so impressed with these, really impressed with them. They're so easy to work with. You can get such crisp thin lines with them, and I can't wait to start teaching with them as well. What else have I got that's new? 𝗵𝗶𝗶 caviar beads. I've done a video on the gems and the new beads, also which I'll link for you guys. Having lots of fun using them. They're really popular at Christmas time too. What have I got? I have got Blossom as my white iridescent. Again, you need this in your kit if you don't have it. It can go over any single colour and just give a nice shimmer. It's really good for sugaring as well, so definitely must at Christmas. And then I've got 𝗵𝗶𝗶, which is a chunky mixed glitter. Again, super popular. I've got her on my nails at the moment. Super popular at Christmas time, will not go wrong. And I've paired her with her stars as well. She's got matching little 𝗵𝗶𝗶 stars, which again are brilliant at Christmas time, fab for Christmas trees and things like that. Then finally I've got Garnet, which is a chrome dust, but I've used her mixed, give me strength, just to do some fine detailing. Hopefully this video helps you guys out if you are looking for any Christmas designs. If you're looking at these designs and thinking, oh my god, there's no way I'm gonna be able to do these, then don't worry, I've done the bronze nail art video as well, which I'll link. Pop on over to that video and you'll see a lot more simple designs. I was honestly just having a play around with these. I didn't even plan to do a video, but I thought since I've done 10, I might as well do it. As always, thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!